We are all connected to Scotland's beautiful landscape, seascape, and wildlife. It's a relationship that makes us happier and healthier. But we're facing a crisis. Many of Scotland's habitats, plants and animals are in danger. There are causes we already know: pollution, chemicals, the climate emergency. But there's another big threat that we don't think about. The way we manage our land is driving our most precious species to collapse. Can you imagine trying to get to work or school if the roads and paths you relied on suddenly vanished? To save Scotland's wildlife, we need to fix how we connect to nature and how nature connects around us. Nature networks are key to restoring, creating and protecting the habitats our native species need to survive. Nature networks expand habitats and link them together so that wildlife can move from one area to another. Big or small, they reconnect our fragmented landscape. Nature networks work for our wildlife, for the planet, for all of us. Together, we can save Scotland's endangered landscape and wildlife by creating and restoring nature networks. But there's still a lot to be done. You can help. Find out how at scotlink.org.